Something about the scenery, something about this place, can't explain the feeling, makes my heart race. I hear my ancestors, their footsteps echoing. To be so near to them is everything. I live and breathe them, holy mystic air. That ancient era replayed in my ear. I walk with my fathers through our yesterday. Their spirit, their glory will not disappear. And I know why this is home. You're my heart, you're a part of my soul. You're the fire within my soul. I am here, a time of miracles. Ancient stones steeped in memories. I tread, I revel in the home of centuries. I plant my tree of life, here I place my faith. Softly I sing the songs that will not disappear. And I know why this is wrong. You're my heart.